Welcome to Miracles Enterprise. In today's video, I'm going to show us how to make powder detergents with 4 major ingredients, which include soda ash, SLS, STPP, and caustic soda. These are main ingredients that I'll be using for this production. Other additives that will be added to it are perfume and sodium silicate. Now let's start. So one of our major ingredients, which is SLS, what we need is the powder form of SLS, but here I have the rice form. So what I will do is I'm going to blend it using my blender. So I will turn it into the blender and blend it and make sure it's in powder form. So that is what we need to do first. So you blend it. Also, if you don't have the powder form, you can get the rice form and blend it. If you don't have blender, you can use mortar also to pound it. For those of us that may say, okay, blender is my challenge, so you can use mortar also to pound your SLS. So now our SLS is now ready. It's now in powder form, so I'll be turning it into a separate bowl. So once we have succeeded in turning our SLS into powder form, so we now take our soda ash and turn it into our bowl. This bowl is our mixing bowl. So once you turn your soda ash into the mixing bowl, then you make sure you crush it in case of anyone that is being blocked. So if you find that your soda ash is blocked, you use your hand to crush it. This is what I'm doing. So remember that you need to put on your nose mask and also your eyeglass during this production, as this process is very flammable. The dust used to choke. So now you will add your SLS into the mixture and mix it together. So what we are mixing together now is the SLS powder and the soda ash together in our mixing bowl. So you mix it very well and make sure everything is well mixed. Now the next thing we are going to add is our STPP. So this is STPP. I'm going to lose it and add it to the production and also mix it also. Please remember, I repeat, don't forget to wear your nose masks and your eyes glass. And you can see also I'm wearing hand glove also. If you have a bigger hand glove, you can wear it. So here now I'll mix everything again. Meanwhile, if this is your first time of joining me in this channel, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook at Miracles Enterprise. So now I'll be adding my caustic soda. So that is caustic soda. So I'll add the caustic soda also and then mix it together. So these are the 4 major ingredients used in this production. So right now, after adding the caustic soda, I'll also mix it also. So you make sure everything blends together, because the blending of it is the major thing we are doing here. So once you are not using mixer, you need to use your hand and do the blending together. Make sure you mix it very well. So the next thing now is to add our sodium silicate. The reason for adding this sodium silicate is to enable it to have a moisturizing ingredients. So sodium silicate is a moisturizing ingredient. So after washing using this our wonderful washing powder, your hand is not going to squeeze. For those of us that are used to washing powder, you notice that some powders, detergent, after using it to wash, your hand will be squeezed. So with the help of this silicate now, it will help to moisturize your hand and look fresh. So don't forget to share this video and also message me on WhatsApp using the number on the screen for any kind of training video on how to make soap and other cleaning agent. So we'll be adding also our perfume to enable it to have a very nice scent. So these are the ingredients used in this production. If you look at it now, our soap is now ready. So I would like to test our powder detergent now and to know how effective or foamy it is. So I'm getting the fresh water. Let's see how foamy it is. So, and don't forget to share this video, like and comment in the comment section, and also follow me on Facebook at Marcus Enterprise and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for more videos and training on how to make different kind of cleaning agents and also some cosmetics products like bathing soap and some organic creams, so message me on WhatsApp.